All right, what's up, guys? Today I picked up this Pittsburgh portable tire changer from Harbor Freight. It was like 65 bucks, so with tax like 70 bucks. It's got pretty darn good reviews, and I wanted to do a quick video of how it's working for me. So I'm gonna pop it open. One thing for sure that everyone points out is you have to bolt it down somehow. So I'm gonna open up the box and check if it comes with bolts. I can see it almost looks like this might be made for like a 2x4 to fit in, and then you can bolt a 2x4 to something. So I'm gonna check out this bottom part, and there'll be a little bit of assembly, but it looks pretty simple. So let me pop this thing open. Okay, oh, maybe we do. Okay. I just kind of want to see if it comes with any bolts, and I want to see what that bottom looks like, you know? All right, let me get this thing partially bolted together here how they want it, and we'll take a look at it. All right, well, maybe I will record me putting it together. Look, I think these just go here, and then, okay, let me look at the picture. This would go here, and then it bolts together like this. Okay, there it is, pretty much. There's just the big old breaker bar, or whatever, leverage bar. It goes together super simple. It was just 4 bolts and this pin. So here's the bead breaker. The only thing is I'm a little confused. I'm hoping I'm not missing a part. Otherwise, I think they might have just made a design change, because some of these manual tire changers, they have like this little cross piece right here. See this little cross right here, and it shows it in the instructions. It would go right here, but this model might not use that. But see, it shows it right here. But if you look on the box, it doesn't show it there. I wish I could see down in here. Okay, I think I figured it out on my own here. So I think they've just made an update. I wish they would update their manual. Here, let's take this part off. Yay, I'm happy. I'm not missing a piece. This is the new piece. So look, this is the new shape. Instead of this cross deal, it serves the same purpose though, that they've now made it this part. Because see, I think, yeah, I'm not quite sure, but it somehow stops this from turning. Oh, I get it. This will go on above the tire. Okay, I guess I don't get it. But I think this is that new part. I wonder if we should put my rim on there quick. Let me grab a rim. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's, wow, this is nice and crusty. Okay, and then see, I think this feeds up through here. Yeah. Yep, I was right. So see, this, there, see, look. That is exactly what that's for. Yay, we figured it out. We are smart. Okay, sorry. I'm losing brain cells. Okay, let me figure out how to get this thing mounted down, and let's take it for a spin. Literally a spin. All right, there we go, guys. I decided to bring it over to the farm, and we found a piece of, looks like a 4x4 sheet of plywood. And then I added some extra little strips of plywood that I found. I cut up a board just to make it thicker right there. And then I went and bought 4 carriage bolts and some washers and just bolted it down. So it should work as long as we're like walking and standing on the board, because it won't be able to spin. So, all right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, and the whole reason I bought this and wanted it just today, is I need to get this tire onto this rim. And this is a really stiff tire, like it doesn't even move. So there's no way I would have got this on my hand. And then if we are successful at that, I have some aluminum rims to take off. These are tires from my Lexus SUV. So that's like the max size that it can handle. I think it says 16-inch rims. So we'll see what it can do with the maximum size. So, all right, I kind of looked at the instructions. You take this off, pop the rim on, pop this through one of the bolt holes there. Okay, pop this on. Can you guys see? Then we just go like this. Okay. Hey, it's going too smooth so far. What do you think, Tom?
It's going too smooth so far.
I made Tom sit in the quiet corner over there. Then you're supposed to use this to tighten it a little bit. Okay. All right. Now I have no idea what I'm doing. So you're supposed to use bead lubricant, or you can use soapy water, I guess. So, I don't know. We're gonna use soapy water. Then you go ahead and just do stuff like this, maybe. Tom, maybe I'll be able to edit this so it just looks like I'm a master tire smith. Okay, so for this part, you want to use this side to get the bead started. I think. I mean, what the heck do I know? So that's got to go down below. Here, let me see if I can push it down. There. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now you can let go, Tom. I'll edit you out.
Okay.
Okay, go a little farther. Okay, let's see if it's working now, guys. Yeah, you have to get the tire down into this recessed area. See how it dips in right here? It has to get down in there. The part of the tire that's not being put on the bead, it has to be down in that middle recess of the rim, or there's not enough space for it to stretch on. So now it might work. Yay! Hey, look at that! Yeah! Easy as that. With editing, that probably only took like 20 or 30 seconds, Tom. Right? Okay, let's make this next one go so smooth. Let's give it a little spray. This is the spray I used to keep Tom off the furniture. Is that funny? Hey, this is how you do it, Tom. Just kidding, I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. Does this need to go? It just needs to go like that, or do I have to push down hard?
There you go.
Is it good? Or does it have to go into the recess?
No.
Oops.
No, you had her almost.
It's a really tight tire. Okay, we got it. Okay, is this still recording? Okay, this is a very tight, hard tire, but look, we about got it. Oh, and then you go like this. Holy cow, Tom. Dude, that was easy.
Was it?
Well, yeah, once I edit all that parts out.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go, guys. So now let's unloosen the top. We're gonna be so much better at it. Okay, so let me get it ready, and we're gonna just try to take a tire off a rim, off a full-size rim, and see if we can make it go smooth. All right, this is gonna go so smooth that we're gonna start our own business, Tom.
What you need is a bench here to set your tools on, so you don't have to bend down so far.
That's just true. We do have the table.
We could have a cup turned upside down.
All right, we're gonna try the max size that this says it can use. Uh-oh, I just realized, Tom, I gotta cut this bolt off. Okay, I'll be right back.
Why?
Because the rim is supposed to sit on the other side of this.
Oh.
I'm gonna trim this bolt up at the top. Okay, I wired a new plug onto here. Let's see if this works. Yeah! Look at that factory cut, Tom.
Yeah, I see that.
Did you see it?
That's really nice.
Okay, let's do this. I hope that bolt doesn't still kind of stick up too far. This will be fine. Please work good, so we don't look like fools. Mostly Tom, not me. All right, guys, I hope this is as easy as it seems like it might be. So this doesn't even lock in. All right, here we go. I'm gonna push.
What? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that was super easy. So what, we just do the other side?
You don't even just step it down.
No, I want to use my tool. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, here, hold this handle up. Holy cow, that part was easy, guys. Come on. You want to do this side, Tom? What, do we have to put that up first?
Okay.
We're still
I
learning.
don't know exactly where you put that.
Look, you put it right there, Tom. See? Here we go, guys. Are you watching? And I'm pretty lightweight. Did it break? Just barely.
Yeah.
Oh, it did. Okay, and then this time we use this end, so this little more pry-bar-y, and we're still gonna wet it, right?
You wouldn't have to do that.
Yeah, I do.
No, you wouldn't have to.
And we just gotta get a hold of it here. Did I do it? Uh-oh. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm still supposed to push one side down in the thing though.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it, guys. Okay, here we go. Hey!
Wait a minute.
Oops.
Wait a minute. Let me stand over here on this.
Is this low enough in?
I don't know.
Me neither. Let's just try it. Oh yeah, I saw a guy walking like this. Oh yeah. Whoa, there we go, guys. How was that time?
Well, it seemed to be okay.
For a beginner? Okay, this one will be a little more weird because we have to do it again, but from the inside, right? Okay, we forgot to take the little weight off. Tom did, right? Okay, I'll get it started again. Forgot how. There, see, come in like this. Yeah, here, just let me get it. There. Okay, put it up like that, and then wonder if I am supposed to have this tool flipped the other way around. So here, right here is where it would have to come up a little. See? Okay, we're getting it. There, we got it. I just needed more McDonald's. Okay, was that easy? We did it! Look, guys. $70 manual tire changer works. Like a charm. So these are like worth like 10 to 15 bucks each, or depends how heavy they are, but we're gonna be able to pay for this tire changer just by taking like 5 of these rims in. And I have a feeling the more of these you do, the easier it gets. So, all right, well, there we go. I give this
Here's your second one.
yeah, bring me another one. This next one's gonna go quick, but we won't make the people watch.
Maybe this is the one you want to make.
Oh, maybe you have them watch a better one? Well, either way, maybe we'll record one more, but yeah, well, I guess we'll see how this one goes. Alrighty, is this one gonna go super smooth? Tom wants the lead. Oh.
Well, I do want the lead.
This is an old crusty tire, so I'm putting a lot of lube on it. Okay. All right, I already forgot how to do this. Oh, we use this. I got this, Tom. Do you know? Look at.
Good thing,
Look, good thing I'm practiced.
good thing you GoPro on.
Is it on?
I don't. Well, maybe.
It's just not lubed up enough. See, I think that's where the lube helps, because it helps it slide. Yeah, see? Oh yeah, the lube saved it. There we go. All right. Yeah, definitely use a lot of lube. Because it's hard to get that started off, I should say. There we go, look, we successfully did 2. Are we starting a new business? Okay, guys, does the Pittsburgh Harbor Freight manual tool remover work? Yes, it does. Is it super easy? Not really. It takes some muscle or, you know, and some technique. So I think the more you do, the easier it'll become. So we've already taken two full-size ones off, and we put one on as a tractor rim. So it's probably just going to get easier and easier, and it's well made, and I would definitely recommend it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on another video. Hit like and subscribe.